Hey there, in today's episode, let me show you how to properly steam your cabbage. I have some chopped cabbage, I have some salt, some cooking oil, and some onions. And for the seasoning, you can use any seasoning that you prefer. I like going minimal while steaming some cabbage. So today I'm only going with some curry powder. You can also add some turmeric, you can also add a beef seasoning cube, or you can also just leave it as it is, and it's going to turn out great. And without further ado, let's get started. And once my pan is hot, I'll go in with my cooking oil. I've added about 2 tablespoons. Then once that is also hot, I'll go in with my onions. I'm going to saute this, and once they start turning translucent, I'll be back to go in with my cabbage. This is just how I like them. I'll go in with my cabbage. So your cabbage should not take long to cook because you're just steaming them. We are not really cooking them. And you should also use a very high flame so that they can steam a little bit quicker. So add as you mix. Then I'm going to cook this for about 2 minutes. Then I'll be back to add in my salt and my seasoning. So we are almost there. And at this point, I'll go in with my salt. And this is the perfect time to go in with your seasoning. Then I'll taste if everything is okay. Perfect. And just like that, our meal is done. So just listen to the crunch. That's how you know you've perfectly steamed your cabbage. So this is ready to go off the fire, and you can serve this with your favorite